What's up, guys? We are back here with another update, man, and actually, let's take a look at it. Getting ready to bid on something at Copart. Hopefully, we can win it. It's a '07 Infiniti M35. It's actually in Houston. Does have water flood damage. It is being sold by farmers, so that's a good thing there. Not really too sure how the flood damage vehicles work, but willing to take a gamble on one. Maybe if it goes cheap enough. They wanted to buy now for like $1,500. So maybe I'm able to get it a little bit cheaper. If we check in here with my daughter. She's running the place. She literally took all her diapers out one by one. What are you doing? Anywho, I'm over here bidding. Don't mind the baby food. Over here getting ready to bid. So man, hopefully we can bid on it and get it pretty low, man. Let's stay tuned and see what happens. And usually you guys know I bid on pure sale items. However, this one is already cheap enough, so I figure if they don't approve me, I mean, hey, what else is gonna be? Like, I'm not even tripping at this point. It's no more auctions during the week anyway, so it's the last auction of the week. We'll give this one a try. Either they can approve it or deny it. Doesn't really bother me none, but at least I'll try, so we'll see what happens. Alrighty, guys, here we are. Let's see what will happen.
New bidder.
Let's get in there.
New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder.
Let's just wait a minute and see what happens. I want it. I want it on approval. Alrighty, guys. It looks like we have pretty much won the bid. However, this is the actual car right here. Their buy now price is $1,500. And I won the max bid at $1,150. So we'll see what they want to do. If not, you know, I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. But this is the actual car. It looks pretty good. I mean, it is water and flood damage, so the inside, if we go into detail on these pics, you can see like down there, the carpet is pretty much off. The carpet is, you're pretty much gonna need all new carpet, which shouldn't be too expensive. Not sure about the seats, hoping that can be in pretty good shape if we do win it. However, the engine does look pretty fair, more or less. However, we do see like a little dipstick outside of the engine bay right there. Looks like somebody might have been checking or something. But I mean, hey, it's a water damaged Infiniti, 123,000 miles. It's sold by Farmers Insurance, so you guys know the actual insurance cars at Copart. You might be a little bit better off, more or less. Most of the time, more. Better off in a better position when you get the car. So we'll see what happens if they accept our bid or not. So that was actually pretty fast there. They actually declined our offer of $1,150 and came back at $1,400. I don't know. Do you guys think it's worth the deal? It's still gonna have to include shipping from Houston. It's gonna be probably about 550 bucks, something like that. But I don't know. What do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think 1400 for this is a good deal or not? As we know, they countered us at 1400. When I think about water damage cars, I think about electrical problems. So Infinities, I mean, they're more so electrical than there are like GM cars. Like GM cars, most common problems are like engine problems or anything like that. So it'll be a lot easier than to fix. Being my experience, well, having my experience, it'll be a little bit more easy to fix rather. So I actually came across this 2006 Trailblazer SS. Gonna see what we can do here. Might just take a chance on it. I don't know, we'll see. It's at 1800 right now. Depends on how low it sells for. We might pretty much look into it and see what we can do. So they gonna run this thing up. I already know they gonna run this up. That's big.
Approaching minimum bid.
Pure sale. They want 1900 for it. It's a wrap. Let's see, cause I want it too. So you really gonna have to want it, buddy. You're really gonna have to want it. I want it. You're really gonna have to want it.
This is a hot lot.
You're really gonna have to want it, brother. You're really gonna have to want it. You're really gonna have to want it. See, now I literally can get the Infinity and pay for it and ship it and probably get pretty much everything I need for the cost of this bid right here. So I can literally keep bidding or just play it smart and pass up on it. I know for sure this will be a good buy. I just really don't want to spend the money on a Trailblazer like that, but I don't know. Should I do one more bid? I think I'm good. I think I'm good, y'all. Three bands. Damn, that's a fucking deal. And it got the 6.0 in it already. Yep, $3,050 could have been mine. Yeah, man, so actually wasn't able to get the Trailblazer. I actually could have got it, but I'm just trying to move a little bit smarter, guys. I'd rather pay like half the price. Like I could literally get that Infinity for half the price. And I know it's gonna be a bunch of more auctions. So no need to, you know, overpay for something. I was gonna pay up to like 25, 26 for that truck, but no need to overpay, man. It's always gonna be more cars out there and newer cars at that. Now, while we wait on the last couple of cars we're trying to bid on today, we can actually check out the cars that I lost recently from the last day, the 29th, up until now. So I'll show you this one. This one, my last bid was $28.50, probably sold for, I forget how much it sold for, but I was looking at this 2009 Silverado 2500 series. Really good looking truck. 208,000 miles. Yeah, the mileage is pretty high, but it's a heavy duty work truck. So all in all, I would think it'd be, I thought it would be a pretty great deal. So I bidded $28.50 on that. Next up was this 2013 Malibu with 119,000 miles, clean title, hail damage. My last bid was $3,600. Wow, I don't remember bidding that high. Clean title, I'm pretty sure it was something like that. $3,600 for the 2013 Chevy Malibu, 117,000 miles, clean title. Does look really good. I thought it was a great deal. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. It pretty much sold for something right, a little bit more, maybe like 38, closer to 4 grand, if not right over 4 grand. I'm not really sure, don't really remember. My next one was this 2007 GMC Yukon. This one actually had, let's see the mileage, 187,000 miles, water flood damage, and this one was in Houston. I bid it up to 1,800 on this one. This one sold for right under 2 grand. Probably more or less. Honestly, I forget. Like, I've been bidding on so many cars lately, guys. But you guys see the water level on that wasn't bad at all. Hang on, let me get back to it for you. Doesn't look bad at all. It's a truck, so you got a lot of room to wiggle with in there. Another Malibu here, 2011 Malibu LTZ. We bid it up to like $2,300. It sold for like 35, 36, around there. It's a clean title, hail damage, not even clean title, it was a salvage title. Hail damage vehicle from Nevada, of course. But I mean, it did look pretty good. 49,000 miles, to say the least. It sold for, I guess, a pretty good price, for the mileage, I guess. We just lost this 2015 Ford Escape. Our last bid was $3,050. It sold for like 42, something like that. But low mileage, really clean car. And Geico is the one selling it, so you guys know for the most part, it's a pretty good car. 80,000 miles. Water level was pretty high, but then again, it was like a SUV, so I think the motor and stuff should be good. And then we also bid it on the Trailblazer, also flood damage. This one sold for $3,050 here today. Could have bought it, it just didn't feel like it was worth it to me. Rather get something a little newer or a little bit more luxurier that can appeal to a lot more people. So